Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to use Xfinity camera without service. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any further videos. And now let's get into it. So as you can see right here, I use Brave Browser's AI, and thanks to that, now I have this well-detailed step-by-step guide for how to use Xfinity camera without service. So if you want to download Brave Browser, then I'll leave you the link in the description down below. Now here it says, first step is to disconnect and reset devices. Disconnect all Xfinity devices from the Xfinity network and reset them. This will prevent the camera from being detected and automatically tied to a service account. After that, you want to set up on a new network. Connect the camera to your own local network, for example, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. This will allow you to use the camera without relying on Xfinity's service. Now, ownership and contract. According to the contract, when you purchase the Xfinity Home Security Package, you become the owner of the camera. This means you can use the camera without service, as long as you are not using it or using any features that require a subscription. And for alternative options, if you don't want to set up your own network, you can consider using the camera with Google Home, or alternatively obtain a used Xfinity camera from a previous owner and use the Y cable connector, pin, and network connection to access the camera without service. And here we have some important notes. Not all features may be accessible without a subscription. Some features might require a subscription to function properly, and it's essential to understand the camera's capabilities and limitations when using it without service. By following these steps and considering the options, you can use the Xfinity camera without service. However, it's crucial to evaluate your specific situation and the camera's features to ensure you're using it in a way that meets your needs. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.